welcome to another one of Dynamic CCTV's technical videos. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the health monitoring function through the HikCentral licensed VMS. So when a system's used in, for example, a control room or an important site, it's important to know exactly what the status of all the devices are without having to manually go in and say stream the cameras on each device and play back, etc. With the HikCentral VMS solution, you can actually do health monitoring check through the control clients, as long as the operator's got permission to do that on the user account that they're logged into. So you can see here at the moment I've got the home page open of the control client. What I can do is I can go into health monitoring there. And what this will load up is a real-time overview of everything that's added to our main HikCentral server. So you can see there that the actual server itself is currently running as a normal status, as is our stream server and our storage server we have set up in the building. You can see there we've got some alarm inputs and a door and some cameras that's showing us offline on the system. So if this was a real setup, the operator could click on to see the camera offline events and see in there and drill down into get more further details. So within this we can actually see that the network status is offline, so they're not detecting on the network. Currently this recorder's unplugged to be able to show this showing through on the health monitoring side of things. And it will also give you all the details of the MVR, the IP address or anything like that. So if it was a camera fault, you could click on the IP address of the actual system and it will take you into the encoding device, which we can see there, the actual physical recorder is offline, so that's why the camera channels are offline on the system. And any other faults such as RAID failures, hard drive failures or anything like that would also show through on here. If we go back into the real-time overview, we can actually manually refresh. By default it's set to refresh every 3 minutes, so it will pull out to all the devices that you've got added to the centralized system. But what we can do is we can display it to a video wall. So if we are utilizing the smart wall function through HikCentral, we can display it on our video wall in the control room. And we can also export the actual real-time overview. So if I save that, you can then see is actually downloading the different information. If I click on open folder, you can see it's exported Excel sheets for each of the different device types. So if I double click on the encoding device there, and then see it's got the actual recorder that's showing us offline. So when you maintain systems, it's a nice easy way to export a list of faults on the system. It will also export a PDF, which gives you the export of the real-time overview at that time when it was exported. It's a nice little report that you can send out, as well as the Excel sheets to management or whoever's maintaining the system on site. We can also go into our record server down the left hand side, so we can see what the current status is of this. So you can see at the moment our P-Store server is running at CPU usage of 37% and the RAM usage is at 43%, and we can also see that the current hard disk usage on the system is 89%, so it gives us a full status of the actual device that's added to the system. And it is also the same with our stream server, so you can see there that there's currently a total of 7 streams, 3 incoming and 4 outgoing, and we can manually refresh that through that page as well. If we go into history alarm, we can see the overview of the actual system over a number of either 30 days, or we can choose the last 7 days or the last 24 hours. So it actually shows the integrity of the system. So our recording integrity's been around 100% rate, did drop to 99% on one of the days. That'll possibly be when we've been doing some maintenance or testing on the system. And you can see our device online rates. So this is where we've had test recorders added and where we disconnected them and stuff like that. So it's a really powerful tool for a control room scenario to see the exact status of everything that's added to the HikCentral system, and it's perfect for larger scale sites, so you can go in, easily see exactly if there's any faults on the system and if everything's running in a normal state. So that was just a quick demo of the health monitoring system through the HikCentral VMS. If you'd like any more information, please feel free to get in touch with us here at Dynamic CCTV. We're always happy to help as best we can. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Thank you, bye.